Hello and welcome to this video. This video is about the allow edits to internal data on General Ledger vouchers feature that is released in app 10.0.29. As is known, the posted General Ledger accounting entries must never be modified. However, there are some fields on the accounting entry that have no impact on the external statements, but they are used for internal purposes like the description. Using this feature, the accounting manager or the accounting supervisor can edit the description on the posted accounting entries. This feature is released in app 10.0.29 and it's managed by the feature management workspace. When this feature is enabled, the authorized persons can edit the description on the posted accounting entries, as well as an audit trail of the voucher edits will be maintained to track when a change was made, who made the change, and the original and new values. Now let's see a quick demo on how to edit the description of a posted accounting entry and how to review the audit trail of the voucher edits. First, I'll navigate to the feature management workspace, and this is just one-time setup to enable the feature. Here, I'll select Allow Edits to Internal Data on General Ledger Vouchers, then I'll click Enable Now. And now let's navigate to any posted voucher and modify the description. This is a voucher of vendor invoice journal, and here you can see the option of edit voucher. When it comes to modify the description of a posted voucher, you can modify the description of single line or for post lines. Here I'll select post lines, then I'll click here, edit voucher, then edit internal voucher data. Here in the edit internal voucher data, you can specify the new description for every line, or you can perform bulk update. So I'll select here all the records, then bulk update selected records, then I'll type here summer marketing campaign as a description, then I'll click update. You can also specify a reason for the edit like missing data, then I'll click OK. Here we can see the description is updated. Here we can also review the modification history. So I'll click Edit Voucher, then Audit Trail of Voucher Edits. Here we can see the modification date time, reason for the edit, and who modified the record. If you would like to review the old and the new data, then click here on the hyperlink so we can see here the previous description and the new description. We can also review the modifications of a specific voucher or old vouchers through an inquiry in the General Ledger module called Audit Trail of Voucher Edits. Here you can specify a specific voucher or you can keep it blank so you can review all the modifications. I'll click OK, and here you can review all the modifications. So this was a quick demo on how to modify the description of posted accounting entries and how to review the audit trail of this change. Thank you for your time and watching this video. Take care and good luck.